Okay. Okay, sir. Definitely. Yeah. It's good portfolios.
This video is full of Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, this is what we are doing in Andhra Pradesh.
This is our everlasting relation, ever-growing relationship with Andhra Pradesh and its presence. We just start the video, so it's just 2 minutes.
Yes.
Next one is
So for this slide,
Andhra Pradesh presence, footprint, sir. All the companies and all the investments, totaling to 50,000 crores in Andhra Pradesh, current and future.
Whatever we have invested and what we are going to invest is going to be 50,000.
This is Rayalaseema state. Now we are talking of the Rayalaseema regions. How it is going to change. This is the JSW Steel Energy. It is going to be side by side. This is the infrastructure. Water will come, from Mailavaram Dam, the road from NH67, railway connectivity and power. Everything will be there. And this region will. This is a township, proposed township also. This is how bird's eye view it will look. Phase 1 and phase 2. So scrap recycling is the highlight. We'll be using scrap and DRI, but circular economy.
This is the green steel. Even energy will be solar energy.
Yes, sir.
striking also green energy.
Green energy. Yeah. Everything, only green.
This is the casting process. And this is the beam, the product, the final product.
This is all for building constructions and also.
So this is first in India that we are making 1 meter wide beams. This is the first in India. 1016 millimeters. 1 meter wide. Rolled many sections. And now we'll show the usage of this. This is how it is used. So steel intensive buildings. Rather than concrete buildings, steel intensive infrastructure.
All the railway bridges, this multi-story building, Burj
Sir.
is made with steel, sir.
Yes. And this is our
This is our headquarters in Bombay.
headquarters in Bombay. Sir.
It's also
Site-
steel, sir. Fully.
Site to behold. This is looks very good when you make steel buildings. It is high on efficiency
Yeah.
and it looks plastered.
Yes, sir.
so we have the models. Sir.
So this is the model of the plant. Explain.
Yes, sir. So this is the model of our high section mill, the Rayalaseema steel. So here we have the EAF scrap feeding. We have the caster heating furnace. So this is the 1 million ton high section mill.
That is
This
the
is
phase
the
2.
Land for phase 2. And around this we have the land for our energy plant, which they will produce renewable energy, which will feed to our plant.
So this will be India's first green steel plant. To manufacture, we will export into Europe and everywhere. And then we can expand. Once we capture the market, then we can build more capacity. So we have enough land, we have enough area for solar, so it will be
Sir, we pour concrete here. Sir.
we put on.
Yeah, we put it.
Good.
We went from this to that, sir.
Yeah. पूरी इधर आ जाओ.
This is the complete phase 1. Out of that is phase 1, and we have poured the complete displays. Yes. Now the plant comes from here, sir. We have the scrap, and from there the electric arc furnace that will come to the furnace, and then goes to the combi caster. Caster 2 goes to the mill.
Rolling mill.
Total plant where we are purchasing the product will be the different types.
This is totally circular economy,
Yes, sir.
100%.
Yes.
No waste will come from this.
So waste will be recycled.
Recycle.
Yes.
It will go in circular economy.
Yes.
Even water will be recycled, even steel scrap will be, any waste will be
Even
recycled.
all waste.
Zero discharge plants.
Net zero.
Net zero. Power also, no waste, everything.
Water will conserve.
Water, everything.
waste You can recycle.
Absolutely.
Everything.
Everything.
We have low emissions. Sir. We are not doing zero emission, low emission. Sir.
Yeah, no emission. No emission. Even dust will be recycled.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are the products that will be
This
made.
is how the product will look finally, sir. This is the actual size. This size of beam is not made in India till now. One meter wide beams. It's used in infrastructure.
As of now, people are importing or fabricating this.
So this is the Vijayanagaram industrial park. Please explain.
Rajaram, sir.
Rajaram, he is the in charge.
So this is 1166 acres, one of the largest private parks in North Andhra. We're looking at an employment of about 45,000 people and a very well connected, sir.